Hi everyone, back again with life story. It is fitting for us as Muslims to follow the example of our Prophet Muhammad. Well, in the video this time the life story will share the guidance of the Prophet Muhammad while eating and drinking. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so that you can always get the latest videos from this channel. Guidelines of the Prophet Muhammad while eating and drinking. Nothing is denied and nothing is lost on his instructions and behavior when eating and drinking. Whatever is offered from good food, he eats it, unless the food is not pleasing to his heart, then he leaves it without forbidding it. He never criticized a food. If he pleases, he eats it, and if not pleased, he let it, like the monitor lizard meat he left behind, because he did not usually eat it. He used to eat sweets and honey, and he loved it. He ate beef, lamb, chicken, birds, rabbits, sea fish, ate roasted meat, dry and wet korma, drank whole milk, wheat dough, eat dough of milk and flour, bread mix meat and others. He did not refuse good food and did not force himself to eat it. His habit is to eat as little as possible. If he did not have food, he was patient, and he even propped his stomach with stones, because of the hunger that attacked him. He does not eat while on his back, either on his back on the stomach, sitting as in the final tahiyyat, or resting one hand on the floor and the other is used for eating. These three methods are despicable. He used to eat on the floor on a mat, and at the same time as a place to eat. Before eating he said Tasmiyah and after eating said Hamdallah. When he really finished eating, he said a prayer. Praise be to Allah with many, good and full praises blessed in it, not neglected and left alone our Rab needed. Takhrij al-Bukhari. That's the guidance of the Prophet Muhammad when eating and drinking. Hopefully it will be an inspiration for us to live better. Because a good life must be started in a good way. Thanks for watching.